Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make crab Xec Xec. First, gather your fresh crab, about 2 pounds, and clean it thoroughly. Next, prepare your essential aromatics. Finely mince 3 cloves of garlic, 2 shallots, and 1 to 2 red chilies, depending on your spice preference. Have your tamarind paste, fish sauce, and sugar measured out and ready to go for a smooth cooking process. Begin by heating 2 tablespoons of oil in a large wok or pan over medium heat. Add your minced garlic, shallots, and chilies, sautéing them until they become fragrant, which usually takes about 1 minute. Then, introduce your cleaned crab pieces to the pan. Stir-fry the crab for about 3 to 5 minutes, ensuring it turns a beautiful, vibrant orange color on all sides. Now, let's create the signature Xec Xec sauce. In a separate bowl, whisk together 2 tablespoons of tamarind paste, 3 tablespoons of fish sauce, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1/4 cup of water. Stir this mixture until the sugar completely dissolves, creating a balanced sweet, sour, and savory profile. Pour this delicious sauce directly over the crab in the pan. Bring the sauce to a gentle simmer, then cover the pan and let it cook for 5 to 7 minutes. This allows the crab to absorb all the wonderful flavors and ensures it's thoroughly cooked. The sauce should also thicken slightly, coating each piece of crab beautifully. Garnish with fresh cilantro or green onions and serve your delicious crab Xec Xec immediately with steamed jasmine rice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.